Bitcoin just slipped to $62,000, pairing its recent rebound as CryptoQuant suggests there's still room for the cryptocurrency to move higher. This sudden drop is particularly noteworthy given that Bitcoin had been on a tear, rebounding from last week's $57,700 low. According to CryptoQuant, improving demand and seasonal trends could be the driving forces behind this potential upward movement. This is significant because it indicates that despite the volatility, there are still underlying factors that could push Bitcoin's price up. The fact that CryptoQuant sees room for growth is a beacon of hope for investors who have been waiting for a sign that the cryptocurrency is poised for a comeback. But what's really interesting here is that this price movement is happening in a broader context where global events are also influencing the crypto market. For example, the US recently launched fresh strikes in Iran, which has been having a surprisingly muted impact on the price of Bitcoin and Ether. This lack of reaction is notable, as you'd expect significant geopolitical events to send shockwaves through the market. Instead, both Bitcoin and Ether have been little changed, suggesting that investors are either waiting to see how things play out or are simply not as spooked by global instability as they used to be. Moving on, a fascinating story emerged about an Ethereum bug that was discovered by AI, which could have taken validators offline. What's remarkable about this story is that while AI was able to identify the bug, human intervention was still necessary to prove it. This highlights the complexities of relying on AI in the crypto space and underscores the importance of human oversight. It also raises questions about the role of AI in maintaining the security and integrity of blockchain networks. In other news, Real Vision's chief crypto analyst, Jamie Coutts, believes that Bitcoin is nearing the late stages of a bear market. This is a significant call, as it suggests that the worst may be behind us and that Bitcoin could be poised for a major comeback. Coutts is confident that Bitcoin could climb up to $250,000 over the next couple of years, although he's more cautious about predictions of $1 million by 2030. This kind of optimism is just what the market needs, especially given the bearish trends that have dominated the headlines in recent months. Speaking of which, Bitcoin's price has actually gained nearly 10% in July, which is a welcome respite for investors who have been waiting for a turnaround. However, traders are still warning that Bitcoin could be copying the 2022 bear market, which would mean that the rally is short-lived and that the cryptocurrency is due for another downturn. This kind of uncertainty is par for the course in the crypto space, but it's a reminder that investors need to stay vigilant and adapt to changing market conditions. And with that, we'll leave you with a teaser for tomorrow's show. Will a major crypto exchange be announcing a surprise partnership that could change the game for decentralized finance?